The year is 2025. A sense of anticipation hung in the air at the global coffee giant's headquarters. The company, once a behemoth of standardized marketing, was on the verge of a radical transformation. Sales had plateaued. Customers seemed indifferent. The old methods were failing. Then a new chief marketing officer stepped in, bringing with her a team of bright young minds and revolutionary concept, biodigital marketing. The idea was simple yet profound: to build a marketing system that behaved like a living organism. This system would adapt to the ever-changing market, learn from its interactions, and evolve its strategies in real time. The goal was to create personalized and meaningful customer experiences that resonated on a deeper level. The team envisioned a future where marketing messages weren't just broadcast, but rather emerged organically from the interactions between the brand and its customers. The initial skepticism within the company was palpable. Would this radical approach alienate their loyal customer base? Could a marketing system truly function like a living organism? The CMO, undeterred, believed that the risk was worth the potential reward. The coffee giant was about to embark on a journey that would redefine its relationship with its customers and set a new standard for the future of marketing. The first principle of biodigital marketing is organic market adaptation. It's the ability of a marketing system to evolve and adapt to the changing dynamics of the market, much like a living organism adapts to its environment. This requires a shift in perspective. Instead of viewing the market as a static entity to be conquered, we need to see it as a complex, dynamic ecosystem. Traditional marketing often relied on rigid, predetermined campaigns. Biodigital marketing, however, embraces fluidity and responsiveness. Just as a chameleon changes its skin color to blend in with its surroundings, a biodigitally powered marketing system continuously adapts its message, tone, and approach to resonate with the ever-shifting preference and behaviors of its target audience. This requires real-time data analysis, predictive modeling, and an agile infrastructure that allows for rapid adjustments to marketing strategies. A global retail giant demonstrated the power of organic market adaptation using what it called adaptive marketing DNA. The company integrated AI-powered algorithms into its marketing platform. This technology constantly analyzed customer data from various touchpoints, including online browsing history, in-store purchase patterns, and social media interactions. The AI identified subtle shifts in customer preferences, emerging trends, and even predicted future buying behaviors. This information was then used to dynamically adjust the company's marketing messages, product recommendations, and even store layouts in real time. For instance, the system detected a growing preference for sustainable clothing among a specific demographic. The AI immediately triggered targeted ads showcasing the brand's eco-friendly clothing line, adjusted the website layout to prominently feature these products, and even alerted local stores to reposition these items for better visibility. Imagine a marketing system that could tap into the subconscious desires and motivations of customers. That's the promise of neural marketing networks. By leveraging advancements in neuroscience and artificial intelligence, these networks can analyze customer data on a much deeper level. They can decipher subtle cues from facial expressions, voice inflections, and even micro movements in eye tracking to understand the emotional and psychological underpinnings of customer behavior. An e-commerce giant effectively utilized neural marketing networks to improve its product recommendation engine. By analyzing customer browsing patterns, purchase history, and even mouse movements, the system could identify products that resonated with the customer's subconscious desires. This resulted in a significant increase in click-through rates, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction.